Hey man, we in that
It
mode.
bothered us too that
in
your
that
employees
mode.
weren't taking full advantage of their retirement plans, so Vanguard created
We in that mode today, chat. We in that mode, chat. This is the third upload of the day. Pushing him out. All gas, no brakes. This has to work. This is the only thing that we have left. After this is death. There is no plan B. There's only plan A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, Y, and Z. It's only plan those has to work. Mansory. I think that's 500 million. Never seen that number before. Subscribe to boy. Can't just be watching people's videos and not supporting, you feel me? But yeah, 500,000 Mansory factory. Enough of the chit chat. Let's get into the video.
This is the Mansory Cybertruck. This actually exists. You got the Mansory logo, you got the spoiler, and you even have the rear fender. How many pieces in the world? The first Bugatti Mistral in the country. A $10 million hypercar. There's only going to be 40 of these in the entire world. Look at the lights. What? I don't know how loud this is, by the way. Guys, today we're about to go to one of the most luxurious showrooms in the world, Mansory. Now I'm sure you guys have heard this name before because they make some of the most expensive vehicles for the world's elite. We're talking rappers, billionaires, even politicians. And today I'm going to go to the Mansory showroom here in Dubai and show you some of the cars that you may have never seen before. And we're going to meet Mr. Mansory himself. So let's go.
Okay, I never seen or knew anything about Mr. Mansory, so it's gonna be lit.
I gotta brag, I do this shit for real. When we was down and we had nothing, we had to share a meal. We put the shit in overdrive with no steering wheel. Shorty throw that thing.
Welcome to Mansory.
He likes purple.
Oh my god.
I love purple.
So
Purple is my favorite color. It used to be blue, now it's
craziest
purple.
showrooms you're gonna find in Dubai. They don't just have
Dark purple,
hypercars.
though.
They have Mansory hypercars. Look at this.
Something real, something raw, not accidental, no, I'm sure you're not needed, show you the door.
Hello. How are you, my brother? So cool. This is the new collection?
This is the newest piece, yeah.
Wow. Show me around.
Let's go. So this is the new Cruise Angler with the new kit. It's with purple carbon, as you can see.
This is purple carbon fiber. Wow. Carbon fiber lips. I mean, this is a one of one. This is actually a wide body because it's from Mansory, guys. And you come around the back, you can see how much work has gone into it. This entire back end has been extended with carbon fiber. This doesn't even look like a Parasangway. This looks like a monster. So you've seen the Ferrari Parasangway, but let me take you to the Mansory Tesla. Yeah. Mansory does Teslas too. Oh my god. This is the Cybertruck Mansory.
Told me I'm allergic to the fake shit. That's why I can look in your ass and tell you ain't shit. I'm from the south. You know what I'm talking about? But she gon' pop it and drop it right in your bank account. I be like,
As you can see, it's black matte with the forged carbon.
Guys, this is crazy. So why the Cybertruck?
Cybertruck is a very hype car, no?
Honestly, I think it was the best thing you guys could have done. It's crazy.
It's good market for America, it's good for Japan, for Asia, it's a good market.
Do you think Elon Musk has seen this?
I don't know, probably yes.
Cybertruck Mansory. Full carbon fiber. Oh my god. This is a work of art. It goes against everything that Tesla stands for. Wow, super lightweight, so it makes it even faster. I think this might be the world's fastest Cybertruck. You also have carbon fiber on the sides. I mean, the car does look a lot more aggressive. Coming to the back of the car, you can see how much carbon fiber is in this car. You got the Mansory logo, you got the spoiler,
I don't know,
and
the
you
spoiler
even
kinda
have
can
the
stay.
rear
I actually
fender.
like it.
There's so much carbon fiber on this truck. Let's open it up.
Ooh,
Wow. This is crazy.
detail.
I think they've even changed the fabric. Here we go. Wow. This is actually the second one in the entire world. The first one is owned by a billionaire, and this is the second.
Imagine being able
That's
to
hard.
build an app with your
I would
name on
definitely try that.
it just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44.
My internet been doing pretty good lately. I ain't gonna cap. So
Coming
give
inside,
credit when
this
credit
is
is
why
due.
this is Mansory, guys. They have changed the entire interior. I mean, Mansory seatbelts, everything Mansory, even The steering wheel, the whole door panel, guys, customized with Mansory. As much as I love this car, it just feels weird. Like Teslas don't come like this. Mansory Atelier, the stitching, this car has been made to perfection. We even have carbon fiber all along the sides. Bro, what's your favorite car here?
My favorite car is always the newest one.
Really?
So now it's the Puro Sangue is nice.
By the way, what did you drive?
Great answer.
What's your favorite daily?
I like G-Class. It's high, you have a good visibility, it's comfortable.
Alright, let's check out the G-Classes. Oh my god, guys, look at this, the Mansory G-Wagons. This is my favorite.
Yeah, it's also extended, you can see.
The car has been extended from the back.
I fuck about $1 million, I keep it a trend, resilient.
So this is the Urus?
Urus Coupe.
Urus, oh, it's the two-door.
Two-door, yeah.
Wow.
With the chain cover. If you zoom in, you can see it's a chain.
Crazy.
It's full cover.
What?
Even the doors and the panels, it's full cover.
Oh,
It's
this-
painted, so it's more better contrast.
How many of these in the world?
There's 8 in the world.
8 in the
It
world.
says on the fender, 1 of 8.
Damn, that is crazy.
Yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Hey. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to
This
the paper,
is
boy.
the first Bugatti Mistral in the country. A $10 million hypercar.
10
and it's in
mil.
Mansory. So this is crazy. Let me show you the car. This is actually exposed green carbon fiber. The paint job on this car costs $600,000. That's more expensive
job?
than a brand new Lamborghini. What color is your Bugatti?
Cause your Bugatti.
What? It's honestly astonishing.
What color is your
just look
Bugatti?
at it. It is a work of art. There's only going to be 40 of these in the entire world. This is actually the world's first convertible Chiron, and this car has taken 10 years to produce. Bugatti can charge for anything. Like they can charge you $100,000 for a cup holder. They can charge you $1 million for orange seats. They're Bugatti. They told me I can sit inside the car. I don't even want to. It's that expensive. This has actually not been modified.
I'm type sitting in that
This is
motherfucker. I don't
straight
care.
from Bugatti.
I gotta
Check
be able
this
to
out.
buy
When you
setting up
unlock
$10
this car,
million
look at the
car.
lights. What? Oh my
They
god.
got a jet ski back there.
Let me show you the interior to this car.
Really, you have to pay normally.
Yeah, now it's here.
Normally 500 euro. So 5 shot.
5 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, so right now we are inside the Bugatti Mistral. I hope I'm saying that name right, but this is actually a convertible Bugatti, as you can see. The first one they've made in this model. Like, I can't believe I'm inside a Bugatti right now. You got carbon fiber Mistral. You can see this has got the Mansory touches. Like everything that Mansory is about is in this car. Here's the best part. You got carbon fiber in the middle of this car. I mean, there's so much I could say, but this car is a work of art. Now moving around, let's go check out the back of the Bugatti. 1600 brake horsepower on a car like this. So you can see the Bugatti logo is all in LED. So the Bugatti actually lights up in the back of the
Tough.
car. Wow, this is gorgeous.
Tough.
Switching it on. I don't know how loud this is, by the way.
Sound like a truck.
That was loud, let's just say that.
Back in my bag and I gotta brag, I do this shit for real. When we was down and we had nothing, we had to share a meal.
Cleats.
So on this side of the showroom, you can see
Clothes
they
looking
have
tight.
the new
Good,
collection.
too,
Like,
you
you
feel
guys
me?
are into fashion now.
Under Armour, yeah. It's a sport collection, you can see there. Shoes, caps, clothes, sport clothes, everything is there.
Wow. So
It's
this
already almost sold out in all the shops. If you go to the mall, it's also sold out.
really?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my god. Look at that. These are Mansory shoes. Crazy. Bro, that's been crazy. Thank you so much.
Of course, welcome always.
Alright, let's go.
Nah, lit video. 500 million Mansory factory. And we got to see a glimpse of Mansory. Never seen him before. And that's another video, y'all boys. Hope you enjoyed. Mansory, to me, one of the top. They the top for sure. Like, it's no who competing with them. They're just the top to me. They doing expensive cars, customizing them to perfection. It just don't get no better than Mansory to me. Hey man, see y'all boys in the next video. We might do another upload. I don't know. It depends on how I'm feeling. I might do it another one, and another one, and another one, and another one. We gotta force ourselves into the algorithm. They gonna see us. They gotta see us. They can't deny us. You feel me? See y'all in the next video. Whenever I upload it, I think I'm gonna do another one, and another one, and another one.